Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to work on writing session 11, which is how to hook your reader, writing catchy introductions and conclusions. So, all great stories begin with a great introduction. And remember, an introduction is kind of like the reader's way of saying hello. So I remember the first day of school when I met all of my students for the very first time. I met my class in the auditorium and I went over to my students and I said, "Hi, my name is Miss Russo. In our classroom, we treat each other with kindness, we support each other, and we come in ready to learn each and every day. Are you excited to begin first grade?" I did not just say, "Hi, I am Miss Russo and I will be your teacher for the year. Are you ready to learn?" No way. I introduced myself and told a little bit about our classroom and how it works. Before writers jump into their opinions and reasons, they introduce their topics. Introductions help grab a reader's attention and get them to read on. There isn't just one way to do it either. Writers write introductions in all sorts of ways. But today, I'm going to teach you some ways you can write introductions to start your reviews. Today's teaching point is, today I want to teach you that writers write introductions to grab their reader's attention right from the very start. One way to do this is to talk to your reader. So, let's stop and think. How can we write a catchy introduction? So, one possible way to start a review is to ask questions to make your reader wonder. Then you can answer the question in a way that names the topic. Of course, your introduction also gives you time to say your opinion. So you really want to hook your reader, like in this picture. Hook your reader and you want to make them want more. So here are 3 different ways to write a strong introduction. So we are going to pretend that I am writing my opinion or review about dinosaurs. I am going to teach you 3 easy ways we can catch our readers' attention with a strong introduction. So the first way, way 1, is we can ask a question. So if we were writing about dinosaurs, my catchy introduction could be, "Do you love learning about dinosaurs?" When I say this in the beginning of my writing, all my readers are going to say, "Of course I love learning about dinosaurs," and they're going to want to read more. The second way is tell an interesting fact. So if I was writing my review or opinion piece about dinosaurs, I can start my introduction with an interesting fact. It can be, "Did you know that the smallest dinosaur weighed less than 7 pounds?" This will want my reader to continue reading. They're going to say, "No, I did not know that." They're going to say, "Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I have to read the rest of this writing so I can see what it's about." And the third way is you can share a strong feeling. All About Dinosaurs is the most exciting, interesting movie I've ever seen. So if I was reading something and this is how it started, I am going to say, "Oh my goodness, I have to see this movie All About Dinosaurs. Let me continue to read to see why the writer thinks it's the most interesting, excited movie they ever saw." So for today's activity, we will write an opinion or review piece all about ice cream. and you will include a catchy introduction. Remember that whenever you want to write an introduction, you can do so by doing any of the 3 things that I just taught you, which is asking a question, tell an interesting fact, or sharing a strong feeling. And then once you write that catchy introduction, you're going to name your topic and tell your opinion or review. If you are still having trouble getting started, this is what you are going to use to help you do this writing for today. It is all in steps. So if we are having trouble, we're going to follow these steps. So our first step, step 1, before I do anything, you are going to write your catchy introduction about ice cream. You're going to do so by either asking a question about ice cream, telling an interesting fact about ice cream, or sharing a strong feeling about ice cream. That is going to be the first thing you do. Once you do that, you're going to go to step 2. Step 2 will be name the topic ice cream. So make sure that we know that you're writing about ice cream, okay? Once you do that, you're going to go to step 3 right here. So step 3 is you're going to state your opinion about ice cream. Do you like it or do you not like it? Once you do that, you go to step 4. State 3 reasons. So up to 3, at least 3. If you want to grow your brain, you can do 4 or 5. At least 3 reasons why you like ice cream or why you don't like ice cream. And do not forget to use transition words like, and, or because. You want to make sure these words are in your writing. Like, and, because. Remember, at least 3 reasons. And then once you're done with that, you go to step 5, which is stating your conclusion. This can be whether you rate the ice cream. This is why I give ice cream 5 stars. Or you're just going to restate your opinion. This is why I love ice cream so much. Or this is why I do not like ice cream. Boys and girls, make sure you all have your conclusion sentence in your writing. Do not skip step 5. It is very, very important. Keep this open on your screen if you need help doing your writing today. Can't wait to see your work. Happy learning. Have a great day. Bye.